What's taking you too long? Come on, man. Bro, don't forget the bang.
Why? It's open already.
And you're gonna leave it there?
Yeah.
That's illegal.
What?
You can't just drink half of it and then leave it there.
What am I supposed to do?
You have to drink it all. Chug it.
Cam.
Chug it. Oh, all of it. I want you to flip the can upside down. Make sure it's all gone. Hey, hey. Hey, we're not pouring none for the boys. We're not pouring. Oh my gosh, I will finish it.
I can't believe this is really happening. Today, I start living!
We ain't never catching the boss.
Ah, I'm coming back for that later. Let's go!
3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff.
You like that? You like that? Oh, okay, ignore me. Cool. I didn't mean to do a wheelie that long at all. Oh my gosh, you should clean your car. Who's calling me? Yo. We're coming. Let's get it. I'm hot. This is not acceptable. Make sure my flag's not going anywhere. Oh no, my flag! My flag! No, hang in there, buddy! Hang in there! You got it! One staple away from losing it all! I believe in you! Don't die on me! Don't die on me! It's, oh, I feel so bad now. You got this, flag! I believe in you! I love my little slow boy. I don't even try to go fast sometimes. I'm just like, oh, you guys have fun. Go play. I'll sit back, chill. I'll play caboose. Why? Why? Oh, cause of the bang! You're rolling, yeah! You got some energy in you now. And he said he's fired up right now. Bang is life, bang is king, bang is my world. I was put on this earth for one thing. Bang, 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 bang. Question is, what would you do for a bang? That is the question. I want to see some comments. Woo, he was rolling, man. There's a lot of things I would do for a bang. How's everybody's day going? I hope it's going great. I hope it's going good now. If you're having a bad day, you came to the right place. Trying to give you some good energy. At least you can smile for a little bit. Or just laugh at me. I don't care if you laugh at me or with me. As long as you're laughing, that's the point. I'm a happy camper. I've done a good job of not caring what people think. Like really only thinking, pretty much valuing my own opinion about myself. Ever since I did that, has changed. Imagination. What are you, bro? You don't even have music, bro. You jamming? Yo. Yeah. Bang is life. Hey. It's not. Oh, I know what he's doing. Oh, okay. You want to get a little squiggly in? Okay, baby. Oh, it's so freaking nice out! It's the hottest day we've had yet! Cam, I can't scream, I don't want to break my mic! Oh my god! This is funny, I can't believe you guys watch me literally just ride. Like, I usually don't even talk about anything important. Or me just yelling. And like, you guys love it every time. Craziest thing, I don't know how the world works anymore. Bye-bye, Mike. Cool, I gotta order like 2 more anyway. Let me check this battery. What up, guys? BRB. I almost forgot to start recording. Hello. Sir, drop the clutch. Full gas. Full gas. Ain't no words, dude. This bike is just like, that's not me trying to wheel. That's me just hitting the gas and leaning back a little bit. It's amazing. I love it. If a cop sees them, I'm like, listen, that's proper body position for every corner. Every single corner. Hairpin, you do that. Congratulations, 2020 seniors. It sucks that you're not walking across the stage, but you graduated. You made it through 13 years of hell. Technically, if you think about it, it could be 14 if you went to preschool. And listening to a teacher that is just teaching, but not teaching specifically to you, but she's got to teach like 30 people. I learned what I learned, and then like I came out in the real world and was like, oh, this is what I actually need to know. Nothing was taught in my school of like actually how to live life. Especially technology, I'm not gonna lie, like, you know, yeah, it would be nice to know your multiplication freaking table up to freaking 30 off the top of your head. Or I could just pull out my phone. I'm just saying, I should have been in school learning about taxes, how to write checks, shoot, how to build credit. But no. High school does not prepare you. My high school did it. Now, some high schools out there actually do teach a little bit. What is it? Elective classes. I like riding next to Mike because it's not like Becca or Jeff where they're blowing out my eardrums and I can't hear. It's nice, you know, when you get home and your ear's literally not bleeding. Oh, I'm like gotta be the weirdest person on earth on a bike. Who the heck thought it was a good idea to give me an engine on 2 wheels and some bars? Who thought that was a good idea? You take my weirdness, you put it on a bike, and you're like, what the f? Big old cluster fudge. Hey, when I use 2 hands, you're like forced to wave back at me. Because if you don't, it's just mean. Let's get comfy and get my love sofa. What you over there doing? Making popcorn? You making popcorn? That's literally how my brain cells are in my brain. Barely hanging on by a staple. I give it another like couple months. My dead cat mouse cover, my mic cover is like, it's a fuzzy little burr. Cam, learn how to freaking talk. Get it together. It's in here, like in my mouth. And it's really disgusting and uncomfortable and it's itching my face. You ever have like a girl put their hair on your face and your whole face itches? Yeah, that's what it feels like right now. I've retired from the reckless life. I now feel like a dad because I don't shoot every gap that's there. It's a really weird feeling. It's called maturing, and I hate it personally. I really do. I hate it because like, ew, like I feel old. That wasn't shooting a gap. That was me not hitting a yellow. You want to race, bro? My flag! No! My flag! My poor flag! It had a good run. What do I see here? I see obstacle, I take obstacle.
Oh, where'd it go?
Bro, we just lost it.
Oh my god.
We just had a memorial service on the way in here because I noticed it was gone. So I wanted to pay my respects. You had a good run. I'm the Kung Fu Master!
Oh god! Oh god! That was a little sketchy when I split them 2 work trucks.
Oh yeah, you definitely did.
Thanks to you, the bang. I'm like, I can do anything.
Yo, do you understand how good it feels on a bike?
I want to go 180.
There's a cop over there. I want to go see if he wants to see a wheelie. Woo! Have a good day, man. Did the cop leave? No! I want to find him. Come here, piggy. Woo! We just sat for like a 45 minutes probably. I don't know, man. I just was like, dude, I want ice cream and I want to ride. That's it. Oh yeah, baby! Hey. Oh, every time he shifts. Fuck! What's her name? What? You say Steven? You riding on a dude now? Speed? Speed what? What? Speedster?
Yeah.
I would say like Mystique. Off of
I go home and I smoke and then I think about it.
Oh. What do you smoke? I'm hot! I have no clue where we're going. I lost Richie. There he goes. I found him. You can't kill the hype. It's so dark. Whoa! Look at the doggy! Whoa! Oh my gosh, back roads are love. The one absolute thing I love. The grass is green, the trees are green, the roads are sunny. I already told you guys, I'm like the most sober hippie you'll ever meet. I just get high off life. I like to live in the moment instead of just remembering the moment. I like to live in the moment. And what I mean by that is you simply take, it'll literally 5, 10, 30 seconds to just sit there and reflect. Be grateful. Understand the feelings that you have going on, the people you have around you. I'm grateful for him being here. I'm grateful for the freaking sun. I don't know. Take that moment. Take that moment to reflect and live in the moment. Now back to your hike. I was sneaking up on him. All of it. Oh my gosh, jeez. Hello. Holy crap. Damn. That house thicker than a damn Snicker. Play hide and seek in the house for like 15 people. Oh my gosh. It just got 10 degrees cooler. It feels so good. But yeah, I'm gonna ride a horse soon. It's like the same as a dirt bike, except they weigh like 1,200 pounds. Pretty much the same. I don't see any cars. I'm gonna do a wheelie. I'm not near anyone, no pedestrians. Yeah, I killed the corner! Woo! Okay, there's a car. I'm gonna put it down. Who are you waving at? Was it me? I have no clue. Maybe she was just feeling the air and I got ahead of myself. Maybe she has no interest in me. I'm confused. I'm just gonna act like you were waving back at me so it avoids the whole awkward silence I'm gonna have. Send it, drift it, drift it, drift it. You got it. Okay, bye. Listen, I can't see my speed, but like, you're definitely going under the speed limit. Dude, these houses are gorgeous. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get one of these little ranches, man. I'm gonna buy some square toe boots, maybe a cowboy hat. Dude, I'm going to be set. Hell yeah, brother. Y'all think I'm joking? Like, I'm not. I'm gonna own a pig, a goat, definitely a cow. I love dairy. Boom, 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 oh, I would have loved to hit this switchback. Oh, what song is this? What song is this? Dude, I put it all in the description. What's the link to your Spotify playlist? It's in the description. You do a little tap tap and you get a little boom boom and then you're clicking and now boom, you're listening to my hype playlist. You're literally headbanging in the car with your mom. Now your mom's freaking headbanging. Grandma's in the backseat headbanging. Be careful, don't want her to get a headache. No concussions. Now you turn around, your freaking German Shepherd's in the backseat. He's headbanging. Everybody's in the car headbanging to my playlist. You know what I mean? Spotify is free. You just get ads. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. I like him. But yeah, you should check it out. Bro, I kind of want to find a cop and ask him if I can do a wheelie. I just want to put a smile on somebody's face, like a large, thick Joker ear-to-ear smile. Dude, why? People get confused when I wave at them. I don't get the whole idea. Hold on. I think people get confused at what's the word? This is my brain. It's ticking. It's getting there. Shoot, what is the word? Bad. The bird is your word. 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 Bad. Outgoing? Like me being outgoing? People get confused at? Like, dude, I'm waving at you. Just wave back. Don't look at me confused. No, I don't know you. I don't need to know you to wave at you. Accept my kindness and take it and run with it. Run the rest of your life with my kindness. Don't stick with... We're all humans at the end of the day. Thank you for wherever you're going. You're now out my way and there's no cars in front of me. We're gonna do a little, smash, Dippin' Dots. Oh my gosh, I forgot tools were a thing. Bang showed me the way of life. Bang wasn't just an energy drink to me. It showed me how to not give a flying F. I'm a bald eagle flying. I don't care about what people think of me. I was so hyped. It showed me why am I worried about what that guy thinks of me? If I'm sitting here talking, if I'm sitting here dancing, he doesn't know me. I don't know him. Even if I knew him, I wouldn't care. Why care about what people think? I think it's personally fun if you don't care. And Bang showed me that, dude. It taught me dude, mellow out. Just be vibing, bro. It showed me a whole nother universe. Weirdest thing ever, dude. You're probably like, dude, what is Cam talking about right now? Go try a Bang, and then 100% you're gonna come back to this video and comment, you're not joking. We do be hyped though. See? Guys looking back at me. Hello? Are you gonna wave back? I'm waving at you! I'm waving back at you! I will go to your other mirror and wave at you. See what I mean? Proof in the pudding. I'm gonna do a wheelie for him. I'm definitely gonna do a wheelie for him. I like it, I like it. This is for them. My high beams are on. I didn't mean for. I do it for the smiles, man. You know what would make that bike sexier? A thick old bang sticker on it. Answer me. There's something in my throat. I think I got it out. I'm a walking advertisement. There's something really in the back of my throat. I'm bringing hype to the whole world. We're gonna change the world. Don't believe me? You don't have to. Watch it. When I say stuff like that, I'm not being cocky whatsoever. I'm being affirmative. I set goals, I achieve them. Roadblocks pop up, I crush them. I jump over them. You're way more capable than what you think. Don't be a Debbie Downer. Don't be a Karen. First of all, I don't care if you're a dude. Don't be a Karen. I want ice cream.